Good morning, students. Welcome back to next class. We are discussing Unit 1 Planning in Sports. We have discussed already knockout fixture, league fixture, and last day we discussed cycling method in league system. So today we are going to discuss combination tournament. Before we are going to discuss combination tournament, the few parts of league system are left, that is how you can decide who will be the winner. There is two methods to decide who will be the winner. What are they? First, British method. In British method, there is TP by PP into 100. TP means total points. Total points, and PP means possible points. Into 100. So here suppose n equal to 8. So every team will play 7 matches. Total number of team 8. So every team will play 7 matches. And the points are like winner equal to 2, draw equal to 1, and lose equal to 0. These are the points. Suppose one win 4 matches, draw 2 matches, and 1 lose. So the total points will be like 4 into 2 equal to 8, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 1 into 0 equal to 0. So total points is 10. So 10 divided by total possible points. Possible points, there is 7 matches, so we can decide one can be winner as 7 times. So if one winner has 7 times, the points will be 7 into 2, 14. The possible points is 14 into 100. After that, you can calculate this one. 500 divided by 7. It will be like 71.42%. This is the score of team 1. Like this, that means all 8 teams' points should be calculated like this, and the who will get the major number, he will be decided as winner. After that, there is second method, that is known as American method. American method, there is NW by N into 100. NW means number of wins. How many times a team win a match, and total team, N equal to total team into 100. So in this situation, one win 4 times. So 4 divided by N equal to total match 7 into 100. 400 divided by 7 equal to 100%. This is the American method. In 2 methods, we can decide the winner in league system. Now we are going to discuss combination tournament. In combination tournament, there is combination of two methods or one method in two times. Which are the systems? Combination tournament, four types. One is knockout come knockout. Two, knockout come league. Next, league come league. And fourth, league come knockout. In combination tournament, there will be a gap between two systems. In knockout come knockout, first all of the team play in knockout system, then there will be a gap, then again they will play in knockout system. How the gap will come, we will discuss in later. So, number two, first play with knockout system, then a gap, then play with league system. Third, first league system, then a gap, then again league system. And fourth, first league system, then knockout system. We all know that in this system, all the national and international tournaments are going on. IPL, World Cup, they will follow the league cum knockout system. In combination tournament, total teams are divided in four groups. Group A, B, C and D. The teams are divided in four groups. As we discussed that in knockout tournament, if the number of teams will 20 or more than 20, then there was a quarter system. The total number of teams were divided in four quarters. Up to this, it will match with combination system. But in combination system, all the total number of teams are divided in four groups. There was not a bar that the number of tournament will 20 or more than 20. There is no bar in combination tournament, but in knockout system there will be a bar that if the number of team was 20 or more than 20, then there was the quarter system. But in knockout system, quarter was divided with teams like quarter A, quarter B, quarter C and quarter D, and the number of teams was 22. N equal to 22. Then the teams were divided like 5 in every teams and rest 2 and rest 2 were divided with +1 and +1. Group A, quarter A, then quarter C. Then if there was rest 3, then the third number was come with group B. After that, if it was 24, then all quarters will get 6 number of teams. But first quarter A, second quarter C, and third quarter B. But in combination tournament, if there was 22 teams, then all groups are getting 5 teams, 20, and rest 2 are divided from starting +1 +1. First, second. Then if there was any another rest, then third will be given to the group C. It is the separation between knockout quarter system and combination group system. All the number of teams are divided in group in combination tournament. We discussed that between two systems there was a gap. That is the gap. How? First, all the match, if we follow the first system, knockout from knockout, then all the matches were firstly played in knockout system as group, not in total number of teams. First, group A will play 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then this is upper half, this is lower half, and as it is 5 teams, so next to the power number of 2 is 8, so there will be 3 by. And this is the ultimate winner. If you get 2 teams from every group, so you can leave the final and 2 winners will be placed as group B also, as group C also, as group D also. Then from every group you got 2 winners, 2 from group A, 2 from group B, 2 from group C and 2 from group D, and there was 8 teams. And there will be the next knockout system match. That's why this is knockout from knockout. And knockout from league also. After that you can make last round with league system with 8 teams, or after calculating the winner you can take 1 team from every group and you can make league system with 4 groups. League cum knockout, first all the groups will play in league system, then the winner, 2 or 1 winner will be decided, or first or second position will be decided, then they will play in last knockout system like this, or they will play a league system like league cum league system. Okay, so this is the combination tournament, and this is the 4 types of combination tournament and how it is make gap between 2 systems that was discussed. So today is this much. After that, in next video we will make a total fixture of combination tournament, and we will discuss how it is happened with 2 systems. Okay, so today is this much. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.